Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have stage 11 of Build the Fast and the Furious Dodge Charger RT. Okay, so we're back on the Fast and Furious Dodge Charger and we are doing a wheel today. So let me show you what we get and what we're doing. So as you can see, that's our parts all to make our wheel in there. And you may need a bowl of hot water as well, but I did do the last one without any hot water, so I'm going to try and do this one without the hot water. So this one shouldn't take too long because basically all we're doing is that we're assembling the wheels. That's our wheel there. These are the parts we're going to get today. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to make up the wheel, as you can see, just like we did last time, connecting the two parts through the actual tyre itself, screwing them down with HM screws around one side, making sure we put the valve cap in as well. Then we're just going to attach that wheel down onto there with an IM screw, making sure we get that little washer in as well. Flipping over the page, we're just going to be putting the final hubcap on, so that's going to go just in the centre there. And that's pretty much what we should have by the end of today. As you can see, we're going to have the two front wheels on the actual chassis part by the end of today, and then I believe we're moving on to the engine part. I do have the next 4 issues here, so they're going to be concentrating on the engine with that one. So if you want to pick this up for yourself, head on over to fanhome.com and you can pick this up for yourself from issue 1. So we're in 2022 now, and I'm trying to do some new and different things on the channel. So there will be some new builds during the year, some more scale models, because we finished the HMS hood, so I do have a couple of extra scale models. I have the Iron Maiden Spitfire Mark II, I believe it is. So I've got that to build, so that's pretty cool. You get the little Eddie's little Iron Maiden mascot, you get 2 of him, so that's pretty cool. So I can't wait to build that. And we also get the PT-109 patrol boat, which is like the JFK boat that he crashed into a Japanese ship to try and sink it. But yes, so we've got both of them, and we will be featuring them at some point this year. We're also going to try and introduce live streams this year as well. So whether that be once a month, once a week, or once a fortnight, or I don't know yet. But depends what you want really. So yeah, I'm planning on once a month so far. So I've got a poll on the actual community page on the YouTube channel. So if you want to go on there, you can actually vote in the poll. So you can click yes if you want to see live streams, no if you don't. So without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Okay, so the first part we are going to need is this part here. We're going to need to locate on here the little part where the valve's going to go. So there's a little pin and some locating pegs for that to go into there. So we're going to get our valve and just push that into there. So we've got our valve in there. We can take our tyre, and that's going to get pushed into our tyre. So it doesn't matter which way this goes. Yes, it does, because this is the inside. So that's the outside, so we want it that way. These are directional. No, that's the outside, so we did it the right way first time. So this is the outside. It does say outside at the top and inside on there. So let's get this now, and the valve part is at the top again on here, so we know to try and get that near the top, and we should be fine. So let's locate that about there and push that into place. And we're going to be securing that down with 3 HM screws, 1 in each hole. So let's go with that. Let's get our first screw in. And we need to give it a good push just to push that in. Just grabbed it now. There we are. So that's the first one in. Let's grab the second screw. It should make it a bit easier once we've got this one in. Give it a good push. That's going to go in this one here. There we are. Last one now. Just here next to the valve. And there we are. So do make sure you get the outside marking on the outside and the inside marker on the inside. So this is the inside, this is the outside. Okay, so bringing in our chassis part, what we're going to do is we're going to attach this wheel onto here. So this is just going to go just on there, and we can take one of the screws with the flanges in, which is an IM screw. Make sure we get the little plastic washer over the top of that, and then we can secure this wheel on. So I'm going to come in from this side holding that on. And there we are. So that is our wheels on. So if we turn them, they should both turn together just like that. That is awesome. So do they look symmetrical? Yeah. So there we are. So now the very last thing to do is put our cap on. So let's turn that over and we can put our cap down the top. So let's go in this way round. Just like so. So there's our cap on there, and same the other side. So there we are. That is that. So with that, that is this issue complete. As you can see, we've got both our front wheels on there now, so I'm really happy with that. It looks really nice. So that is it for this issue, and coming up in the next ones we are starting the engine parts. That's going to be really good when we get the engine all done. So coming up tomorrow we're going to have some more Build the Ecto 1, so I hope you can join me for that. Until next time guys, if you like this video, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, bye bye.